K19 Max K18 Max K911 SE Drone Operation Tutorial with Screen Controller. Different styles, same remote control, same functions. Product configuration. Need to charge the drone battery before flying. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Demonstration of charging the remote control. Connecting the remote control. Connecting the power supply. Indicator light is green when charging. Pre-flight preparation. Default outdoor GPS mode when powering on. Please do it outdoor in an open top and unobstructed environment. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Make sure the drone is leveled before startup. Long press to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Select the language and enter the map transmission screen. Press and hold for geomagnetic calibration. Pick up the drone and rotate it horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate the airplane vertically clockwise and hear 2 beeps again. Compass horizontal calibration is complete. Short press for gyro calibration. Lights flash fast to slow. Calibration is successful. Wait for the drone to search the star. When the search signal reaches 9 or above, the drone can take off. Unlock the drone with the outer 8 lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Rise. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching, 1 beep for low speed, 2 beeps for medium speed, 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone is in obstacle avoidance mode. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the recording button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Press the back button. Select file management. You can view the saved photos and videos. Press the back button to return to the image transmission screen. Press the return button. The drone will return to the takeoff point. Demonstration of airdrop mode. Press the button on the bottom of the drone to open the hook. Aim the rope at the hook and press the button again to close the hook. Fly the drone into the air again. Click the drop button on the remote control. The drone will drop the item. Indoor mode demonstration. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control. Connect the screen map again. Press and hold the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. The drone light will turn on normally. Unlock the drone by hitting the outer 8 lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Connect to APP. Need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding APP according to the cell phone system. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the APP after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying. Replace the wind blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the airfoil and remove the airfoil. Be careful to distinguish between A and B markings. Install the corresponding airfoil.